Whoa! Did you hear that? Those are sounds of animals. Today, we shall study the different kinds of animals. We shall classify them if they are pets, farm animals, or zoo animals. A pet or companion animal is an animal kept primarily for a person's company or entertainment. Pets can give companionship to people who are living alone or elderly adults who do not have adequate social interaction with other people. Just like dog, cat, rabbit, birds, fish, and turtle. Farm animals are animals that live in the farm. They are also called livestock. They are also considered production animals, used for milk, cheese, leather, wool, and many other things. Like pigs, chickens, ducks, horse, sheep, cows, and goats. Zoo animals are kept in the zoo. These are wild animals who are dangerous by nature and cannot be domesticated, like tiger, lion, giraffes, monkeys, zebra, elephant, snakes, bear, and crocodiles. Now let's try to identify animals that belong to the group. Which are pets? Dog, cat, rabbit, fish, bird. Which are farm animals? Duck, goat, cow, pig, chicken. Which are zoo animals? Lion, monkey, elephant, snake. Good job, kids! Now it's time to answer the pages in your book.